It is Jenna again. I'm using a filter because I don't have any makeup on, but this is supposed to make me look like I have makeup. I opened my Wantable box, and this is the Saturday Active Edit box. This is the first item I saw, and it's my favorite color. It's yellow. It's a mustard yellow. These are like leggings. They have pockets on the sides. They're really stretchy. It seems like really good material. It's a full legging. So I'm really loving this. Well, second item, I'm not exactly into this print. Actually, it's not that bad. It's kind of cute. You know, that's the print. Thing I see is this regular tank top. I don't know what you call that kind of back, cross back. It's just a plain black tank top. Are these, ooh, these are bike shorts. I like it. It feels like the same material as the gold ones. I'm gonna have to try these on to see if they fit me. They're kind of short, like more of a shorter version of biker shorts. See this white crop shirt. This one feels like it is wicking material. So this I would actually wear. So this is like a cropped white shirt that you can use for working out. Ooh, and then they have like these wicking material sweatpants in this nice blue color. Oh, these are joggers. I love this. Look at this color. It's like a tealish color. And then the bottoms look like that. So they're joggers. Like anything with pockets. I love joggers. So that I really like. And I guess this is like the matching hoodie. It's a cropped hoodie that goes with it. Looks like that. It looks like the same, right? Like, it looks like this kind of matches. Sorry, the lighting in the back is like messing things up. Okay. Let me go over the prices. So the prices. The cropped tank, $64. The biker shorts, $48. The leggings that I love are $78. The racerback tank, the black one, is $28. The white cropped shirt is $38. The hoodie is $88. And then the joggers are $78. Let me know what you think. If I keep them all, it's $332.73. So I don't know. That's kind of a lot, and I don't exactly work out a lot. So, anyways, let me know what you would keep that was in this box, and if you got one of these, I want to know what you got in your box. So let me know. Okay, bye.